Understanding cell range. A group of selected cells is called a range. The selected cells should be in continuation to form a range. When a range is selected in a worksheet, a rectangular shape is formed. We can use a cell range to perform a calculation on multiple cells. The address of a range is created by using the starting and the ending cell addresses separated by a colon sign. For example, if we have selected the cells from B2 to E3, then the address of the range will be B2:E3. Selecting a range in a worksheet. We can select a range by using the mouse and by using the Shift key. By using the mouse, perform the following steps to select a range by using the mouse. Step 1. Click on the first cell from which you want to start the range. Step 2. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse diagonally to select the desired range. Step 3. Release the mouse button on the cell up to which you want to select the range. The range gets selected. By using the Shift key, perform the following steps to select a range by using the Shift key. Step 1. Click on the first cell from which you want to start the range. Step 2. Press and hold the Shift key down from the keyboard and click on the last cell up to which you want to make selection. Step 3. Release the Shift key. The range gets selected. Naming a cell range. Excel allows us to assign a name to a cell range. This name can be used in place of cell address in formulas. Perform the following steps to assign a name to a cell range. Step 1. Select the range of cells to which you want to assign a name. Step 2. Click on the Formulas tab from the ribbon. Step 3. Click on the Define Name command under the Defined Names group. The New Name dialog box appears. Step 4. Type the name and click on the OK button. The assigned name gets appeared in the name box. Now, we can use this name in place of cell address in formulas.